everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Ticketmaster ticket to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Apple Wallet, and this is how the interface gonna look like. And you can see Ticketmaster right over there registered. Now to do that, open up your Ticketmaster app. Once you open up your Ticketmaster, go to the event section to find out the tickets that have been registered there. Once you have found the event, you have to simply switch to my events as I mentioned, and once you have gotten the event ticket detailing, tap on the ticket of yours. Then once you have got the ticket, and then you're gonna scroll down and then tap on the option of add to Apple Wallet, which is listed as highlighted. Then you should find this interface which says add to Apple Wallet. Again, tap on it and tap on add, which will simply add a ticket to your wallet. Once you have done that, this is how the interface is going to look like. When you go open up your wallet, you will find your ticket registered over there. So all you gotta do is open up your Ticketmaster app, go to events, check on your ticket, and scroll down, tap on add to Apple Wallet, and that is it. Once you're tapped on your Ticketmaster from your wallet, you should be able to find this kind of interface where you can simply tap on add to add more tickets as well, and that is basically it. That's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.